Hey guys, so here. I'm really excited because I just tried this margarita or summer drink maker. If you will. This is the result. So you put ice here and mix here and you. As you can see, that you will have shaved ice with drinks of your choice. Here is a margarita. I bought this mainly because for our summer parties in our yard, and I just got it, so I'm kind of giving a try on my own. So this is really powerful. They blend ice in a second really quickly, and you have this fully blended ice to drink. I think this can also for kids. If you don't put any alcohol, you just put juice and ice in it. Really great for your summer patio yard parties. Just in time. I'm happy with my purchase. It's a little bit on the pricey side, but this is supposed to be be able to host a big party where your regular blender just won't do the job. So this is very secure. The material is really good. I'm happy with this purchase, so definitely give a try if you have a big summer party coming up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment.